You serious? Oh, this is gonna be great. I mean, I have some ideas, like we could stab him to death.
That's crazy. No.
Or we could shoot him.
No.
Oh, we could drop something real heavy on him, like one of his stupid old cars, and then like squash him like a grape.
That's absurd. No.
I'll tell you why, Black Cop. Because every bust that we ever had, every crime that we ever stopped, everything that you and I ever did...
No matter how hard I worked, I was always Blind Cop's fucking partner.
Well, I see the mayor's generosity knows no bounds. Or subtlety. Maybe your family deserves this place. Good thing you matched this hellhole anyway.
Well, then why not leave?
Got to hear the good and the bad before getting appointed. Mostly the bad. But that only means there's some fixing to do.
I want to have the right to say no. To say, I don't know. To be wrong. To make mistakes and learn from them. To make my own choices and decisions and live my life how I see fit. To grieve losses, actual and perceived. I want to have the right to change my mind anytime. I want to have the right to forgive myself. To dream. And to hope. And to be my true self. And I need to be loved for me. For who I really am.
I apologize.